Hey y'all, I am Debbie Bird with League Real Estate, and today we are in the neighborhood of Arlington Heights in Fort Worth, Texas, and we are at my latest listing at 5029 Locke Avenue. Location is everything here in Arlington Heights, which is walking distance to an upscale shopping center with the best grocery store, but it also has both casual and upscale dining, a mixture of local and chain boutiques, as well as some big box stores like Container Store and World Market. In addition to being walking distance to grab a drink, you can drive almost anywhere you want to go in Fort Worth in 5 to 10 minutes, including the Trinity Trails, Texas Christian University, and the Museum District in downtown. This home was built in 1947 and has all the charm and character you'd expect from a house built back then, but better. At almost 1,500 square feet, there are 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a small one-car garage the current owners converted to a gym. Everything in this home has been remodeled with impeccable taste, without removing a bit of the character we love about an older home. And as if the home and location weren't enough, check out this amazing backyard and entertainment area. For more information, you can contact me directly or you can go to leaguere.com. Bye, y'all.